In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add widgets on Windows 11 desktop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about widgets that are officially supported on Windows 11 and how to enable and customize them. To find the widgets option available on Windows 11, go to the settings and access the personalization category at the left. Now, go to taskbar, and in here you can enable or disable widgets. So after you enable this option, you will be able to see the widgets available at the bottom left corner of your screen. So when you open the taskbar, you will see it listed there. Usually the default one is going to be the weather. So all that you have to do is click on it now. When you click on the widgets icon that appeared at the bottom left on the taskbar, you will see all of them listed here. So you will have a feed that you can use to discover news, see entertainment, watch stuff, and so on. You can go over to the settings if you would like to customize this, and usually the region that appears is going to be the one that is set by default on your Windows 11 PC. You can add new widgets by clicking the plus sign, so you will be able to add new ones at the left. So click the plus sign here and you can find a bunch of widgets that you can add. They are going to show the general ones that are available by default, or you can find new ones by clicking the option to find more widgets. This will open the Microsoft Store where you can browse through additional ones. So you would even have stuff like Spotify, Facebook, Windows Clock, and so on. So like I said before, this option is going to be how you use widgets by default on Windows 11. You don't need to install anything else. It is going to be pre-packaged with your Windows installation, but if you want to have widgets on the desktop itself, then you will sadly have to install third-party tools. I hope I was able to help you on how to add widgets on Windows 11 desktop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.